Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, we're gonna start off by putting a half a cup of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whichever one you like to call it, into 4 cups of water. And we're gonna let this sit overnight, y'all. Overnight. Just soften up. Then after it sit overnight, we're gonna get it into our food processor. Now these have softened up, so we can process them up real good. Now after we get all our chickpeas into our food processor, we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic and a half an onion. Next, we need to get in our herbs, which is cilantro and parsley. Once we get everything into the party, we're gonna give it a little mixy mix. Not trying to do it all the way, just a little bit. Now after that, we're gonna come in with a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of cayenne, some salt, pretty much salt to taste, but I use a teaspoon, and some pepper. Now don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. Don't forget that LSS. And then we're coming in with either a whole lemon worth of juice or a whole lime. Either one, the choice is yours, y'all. The choice is yours. Whichever one you like better. Then we're gonna get our lid back on, and we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Now after it gets almost done mixing, we're gonna add in a teaspoon of baking powder, and a tablespoon of flour. Come on, thing. Then we're gonna go ahead and get it processed all the way until we get the right consistency. Now this is what you're looking for when you get it all processed. You want it to look just about like this. Not dry, not real wet. Now I'm using a 1/4 cup to make my falafel patties. I mean, you could use an ice cream scoop if you wanted round ones, but I'm going flat today because I'm making sandwiches, y'all. Making a sandwich. Usually if I do the round ones, I just eat them straight off with a little tahini on top. And so when I do the sandwiches, I like to make the patties because it makes it so much easier to get into the pita and it don't take up all the space. But anyway, let's go and fry these up. Now this is vegetable oil, and we're gonna get our patties in. Now once they get golden brown on one side, we're gonna give them a flippy flip. Oh yeah, yeah. These smelling good too. These smelling good. Now once that other side get golden, let's go ahead and get them out. Now you don't want to dry these out by frying them too long, y'all. Mine took about 2 to 3 minutes a side, depending on what size that you make them. That should be all you need, y'all. All you need. So let's get our second batch on in. Oh yeah. And this is what we had when we all got done. Hey, had enough to make me 3 sandwiches. So I used pita bread. Put me a couple pieces right in that pocket. Had me a little tahini right on top of my falafels. And then I added me some parsley. Now, I could have went on and just did lettuce and tomato. But hey, I just wanted that little extra herb kick. But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.